Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss another practice problem for placement process. Okay, so the question is find first set bit. Okay, so the question I am taking from Geeks for Geeks. So the question says given an integer n, the task is to print the position of first set bit found from the right side in the binary representation of the number. Okay, so input, what is the input format? The first line of the input contains an integer t denoting number of test cases, then t test cases follow. The only line of each test case contains an integer for which we have to print the position of the first set bit found from the right. Okay, output is for each test case print in a single line an integer denoting the position of the first set bit found from the right side of the binary representation of the number. If there is no set bit, print 0. Okay, like for the number 0 there is no set bit, in those cases you have to print 0. Constant is given as number of test cases from 1 to 200, and the number is belonging from the within the range 0 to 10 to the power 6. For example, suppose if we have two test cases and the two numbers are 18 and 12. Now for 18 output should be 2 and for 12 output should be 3. Why? Suppose you consider the binary representation of 18, you will be getting 0 1 0 0 1 0, right? So from the right side the first set bit is this one, right? And so this is what position? This is second position. Okay, you should not start counting from 0. From the right side you start count from index 1. So if this is index 1, this is index 2, right? So the first set bit from the right side at position 2, so we should return the 2. Okay, like that we have to write the code. So what algorithm we can follow? Very simple. I have discussed all the required methods and functions in while discussing list and string. So what we will do, first we will take the number as input, and that we will convert into binary, okay, using bin. Okay, like if you consider 12, for 12 binary representation is 1100. So first set bit appearing from the right hand side is this one, and what is this position? 1 2 3. So third position from the right side, so output should be 3. So what we can do in step 1, convert the number to binary. Okay, so you will be getting 0b1100. 0b is indicating this is binary number. We need not to worry about 0b. So what we will do, we will basically extract the original binary part using string slicing concept, because bin of a returns a string, so we can use string slicing to extract this particular part. So what we can write, bin of a, and starting from 2 to end. Okay, because see 0 and b, this is index 0, this is index 1, from index 2 to end we require. So we are doing slicing from 2 to end, and bin of a, using that we are converting the number to its binary representation. And then that is string representation, right? We will convert that into list. Okay, where each element will be basically character of the string, that is one bit, individual bit, but this will be character, we can say like this. There will be quotation will be there, we can properly say like this, because when string is converted into list, the characters will be like each element of the list will be basically one character, so that we should denote using quotation. And in this step 3, what we can do, see, we have to find the index of first one from the right side, right? And you know, index method can be used to find the index position of the element where it is appearing for the first time from the left, but we need here from the right. So what we'll do, we'll reverse that and we'll apply index method. Okay, so suppose our list is 1100, we will reverse this, we will be getting 0011. Now we will use index method. In this, index will return us this one position. Okay, so 0 1 2, index will return us 2, but see, this is actually third position, right? Because in Python the index is starting from 0, so it is returning us 2, but actually this is position 3. So what we'll do, we will add +1 with it and we'll return that. That's all, simple code, right? So let me write the code here. So what we can do, first we need to take number of test cases as input, so t equal to int input. Okay, then what we can do, then we will use one loop for traversing our code that many number of test cases, while I less than t, I equal to I plus. Okay, then what we will do, we will take input for each test case, right? And then we will convert that to binary. Suppose I am writing rs equal to bin binary representation, and then we are slicing from 2 to end. Okay, then what we will do, we will form one list y equal to list of rs. Okay, then we will reverse this, then we will find index of 1. So index of 1, before finding that we have to check whether 1 is present in this or not, because if 1 is not present, then if we use index method, then it will return error, right? Because there is no such position where 1 is appearing and you are trying to use index, so it will return error. So what we will do, before applying index, we will check whether 1 is present in the list or not. So if 1 in y, already I have discussed, to check membership, one particular element is member of a particular list or not, we can use in. Okay, so if 1 in y, io equal to y dot index of 1. Okay, and then we have to print io plus 1. I have told you why plus 1. Else, if 1 is not present, that means that is basically 0. So basically we will print 0, because here in the question itself clearly mentioned that see, if there is no set bit, print 0. Okay, right? So I hope our code should work. Let us just do compile and check whether it is working or not. So 18 and 12 output should be 2 and 3. Here also 18 and 12 output is 2 and 3. Alright, it is successfully applied on sample test case. Now it's time to check for hidden test cases, whether it is passing all the hidden test cases or not. Let us check. Yeah, see, correct answer, execution time 0.03. Okay, so these type of problems are very important, and you can solve very easily if you know some methods related to strings and list, like how to convert a string to list, how to convert a list to string, how to use reverse, how to find the first index of an element where it is appearing in the list, how to check an element is a member of the list or not. Okay, how to use looping in Python. If you know these basic things, you can solve easily this type of problems, and this type of problems are very important for placement point of view. Like here, this particular question appeared in Amazon, you can see. Okay, this particular problem can be optimized. Okay, it can be solved in other way with less time complexity, but for the time being, my first intention is that you should know how to solve a problem, how to handle a unknown problem. Okay, if you once you can do that, automatically confidence will build up in you, and you can go for optimized, that is more accurate and optimized way to solve a particular problem. But in the beginning stage, try to solve the problem anyhow. Okay, and then that is once logic starts building up in you, you can go for optimization. Okay, so this is all for my this video. Same code I am going to post in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.